guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making the tandoori chicken curry. I created this recipe to demonstrate for my workshop attendees. Little did I realize that it is really close to the Indian favorite Chicken Tikka Masala. Well, here's my version. You'll find the link to the printable recipe on my website. I will leave the link in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. So as I make this dish, I thought we could talk about some common mistakes we tend to make in South Asian kitchens. Now, as many of you know, I was born in Pakistan, and most nights my family and I eat our curries and dals, and we honestly wouldn't want it any other way. Pakistani food is actually not unhealthy per se, so I really don't need to tweak it very much for everyday cooking. Now, of course, we have the biryanis and the niharis, which are really carb rich and oil rich too. But I think commercialization of ingredients like oils and spices has made it unhealthy, as with many other cuisines, right? So we just want to take into account the ingredients that we use and make them the healthiest possible. So here's the first mistake we tend to make. Instead of healthy oils, we tend to use highly processed oils like vegetable, canola, and sunflower oils that are highly inflammatory and can lead to chronic inflammation. Changing to better sources like ghee, olive oil, avocado, and even butter is a great place to start. South Asia is where healing and anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric and ginger originate, and these are an integral part of South Asian cuisine. So I want you to be mindful of where you get your spices. Try and get them whole. Box spices tend to go through processes of irradiation, and this kills the bacteria, but then the spices also lose nutritional value and create toxins in our foods. Most are genetically modified and treated with toxic pesticides and contain additives and synthetic anti-caking agents. So make sure you get the best, and they're out there. So do your research, and I will link a couple down in the description box below. Now, the ginger and garlic paste that we get at the grocery store is likely processed as well and has preservatives. So I like to batch make or mince on the spot. Dairy can be an issue for many, and I know I have benefited a whole lot by being more mindful of my dairy intake. That is why I'm using coconut milk to thicken this curry instead of the original heavy cream called for in traditional chicken tikka masala. And finally, I am making cauliflower rice to keep this meal low on carbs. Rice and roti is a staple in South Asian cuisine, but eating grains can be problematic for many, especially those with autoimmune conditions. So cauliflower can be a great alternative. Trust me guys, you won't even miss the rice and roti. Alright guys, time to eat, and let's make this as aesthetically pleasing as we can because we eat with our eyes. Now, I know this recipe is a meat recipe, but I really can't stress enough how important it is to bring vegetables into our diet. So just make a small salad. You don't have to make it too fancy, just cucumbers and carrots that the kids will enjoy as well. Just have that on the side and eat more plants, guys. It's good for you. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different from my regular format, and I'd love to know what you think. So let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.